Hi, good morning all of you. I hope all are fine. So today I had to share another session, that is how do I improve pronunciation. My dear friend, English is important, but before that, how do you say that is most important. So that's why this video is very important for you. Please see this video completely, then definitely you can learn something from this video. But before that, I had to share one course, that is Unstoppable Spoken English. This is my course. My dear friend, if I talk about this current era, I meant to say that is current situations. English is most important, my dear friend. If you're sensible about your life and if you're serious, then definitely you can focus it. Because without this, maybe you have some problem in your future. That's why you need any guidance, then please you can call me in our given number. I'm ready to help you. Actually, my dear friend, so many students are only focusing that is theory, but that is not helpful for you. If you do not practice too much, then definitely never ever you can speak in English. So if you need any help from my side, then definitely I can help you, don't worry. But please see this video completely and you can regular practice, then maybe as soon as possible you can speak in English better way. So please see this video completely. Let's begin. So today I have to share some consonant sound. Please see this video completely. So this two sound is very important, but how do you say? First one is we can say M, but that is not correct. Or whenever you can pronunciation, that is your lip should be closed. M, like that. But if you talk about N, your lips should be open. N, M, N, M, N, like that. But if I talk about some example, that is some, M, beam, boom, cam, sim, tim. If I talk about another side, that is sun, N, bin, bun, can, sin, turn, like that. My dear friend, if you focus in that way, then definitely you can improve your pronunciation. Next, I am to share another two consonant sound. First one is k, 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 like that. But cut, came, cap, cut, clam, class, clean, like that. That is k, k. Next one, that is g, 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 like that. Gut, gim, gap, gud, glum, glass, glin. Next, I have to discuss how do I pronunciation 0 to 10. First one is 0, 0, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7, 8, 8, 9, 9, 10, 10, like that. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, like that. You can say in that way. Now I am to read this passage. This is one daily routine. But how to improve your English reading? I wake up at 6 a.m. I try to get dressed as fast as I can so that I can make a nice cup of coffee and relax before going to work. I get to work at around 9 a.m. where I am a spoken English trainer until about 5 p.m. in the evening. After that, I like to go to the gym. I get home at around 8 p.m. After I make my dinner and after I read some books. Next, I go to bed at 11 p.m. Thank you. If I did in that way, it's okay. But how do I improve our voice? Let's see. I wake up at 6 a.m. I try to get dressed as fast as I can so that I can make a nice cup of coffee and relax before going to work. I get to work at around 9 a.m. where I am a spoken English trainer until about 5 p.m. in the evening. After that, I like to go to the gym. I get homework at around 8 p.m. After I make my dinner and after I read some books. Next, I go to bed at 11 p.m. Thank you. If you read in that way, your voice is too much improvement, too much attractive. That is very helpful for your reading. So that's why you can read in that way. That is very helpful for you. So my dear friend, I hope you understood so many points from this video. And also you can learn very important thing. So my dear friend, please practice regularly, then definitely you can improve your pronunciations. And if you need any help about this, then please you can call me in our given number. then definitely I ready to help you. So my dear friend, please subscribe our channel and share to your friends and press the bell icon. Thank you so much. God bless you.